Nvidia has been continuing to push up over the past week, but I am still not going long just yet. In this video, we're going to talk about why, and more importantly, what requirements must be met in order for me to take a long position on Nvidia, and what I think has to happen in order for this to break out to all-time highs. If you want to learn our trading system completely for free, get access to the indicators that you see here, the exact proprietary setup that we use, and all of the inputs, go check out our 12-step trading series down in the description. It's completely for free. The only thing that I ask in return is that you take the courses in sequential order and that you respect the system that we have built. Now, as a refresher, we were long on Nvidia basically from April 29th up until May 23rd, when the BX trender flipped green back here, and we expanded nearly 20% within that month. Since then, price has been expanding after earnings. The daily BX did flip barely for a single day, but I've been sitting out and waiting. Now, if we were to follow the strategy that we use here each and every single day for the past 16 years, we would have made a 9,635% return on investment across 159 positions with a win rate of 55%, and most important, a risk versus reward of 3-1, meaning that when we win, which is only a coin toss, we are making 3 times the amount when we win versus when we lose. That right there, that metric is singularly the most important thing when it comes to trading. And you can see that our equity curve over the past 16 years would have been up and to the right, which is what everybody wants. Now, this trading bot, which we have fire in our Discord every single day, goes off of the daily chart. It's looking at the monthly, the weekly, and the daily BX at the same exact time, looking to enter on expansions. If we were to look at our weekly trading bot, you can see that it has still yet to enter a position on Nvidia. And we're going to talk about why. And this has been the main reason as of right now that I have not been trying to jump the gun and chase this breakout. I was happy with the 20% move that we had. But even though I think there's a good chance we're going to move to all-time highs, I'm not looking to get overzealous here in case we reject. If we zoom out and look at how this bot would have performed over the past couple of years, you can see that we would have had losses, of course, and they're relatively small compared to the winners. What this bot is looking to do is trade these weekly expansions on the BX trender. But what it's not looking to do is trade these massive downturns when there's no buying pressure in sight. And so it's not just scanning the weekly, it's also scanning the monthly chart, and it's looking to not trade when the monthly is red. Because even though we could bounce, most of these bounces are going to be met with a sell-off. What we really want to see here are these expansions when the monthly is green. For instance, if we look at this massive expansion that we had from January of 2023 to January 2025, I was trading the living crap out of Nvidia the entire time. And if you would have just bought and held from this time, at one point you would have been up 700%. By the time the BX flipped down, you would have made a 509% return within about 2 years. So I want you to realize that if you're just looking at the monthly chart, if you're just looking at the macro, you could have done anything during this 2-year stretch and made money. You could have day traded, you could have swing traded, you could use the weekly chart, you could use the daily chart. It doesn't matter. This is why you need to be trading with the monthly time frame. You need to be looking at the bigger time frames when you're even trading on the smaller ones. Since that monthly closed, price has sold off, and this is why we were bearish. Go back, watch all the videos that we've done since November. Actually, let's not even do that. Let's just go into our filters. Let's look at our symbol. Let's look at Nvidia only, and let's look at how much I have traded Nvidia. May, $17,000 profit on Nvidia. April, didn't touch it. March, didn't touch it. February, didn't touch it. January, small little profit, barely traded it. December, didn't touch it. November, we barely touched it. October was the last time that we were really trading Nvidia. And the reason for that is November into October, the BX was green. But since that weekly BX has flipped red back in December of 2024, and the monthly was also red, there is no reason to go long during this time. Each and every single bounce, as you could see, will usually just sell off into a lower low. Something else that we covered here is this potential head and shoulders pattern. We have a neckline sitting here at $90. We have a left shoulder forming here. We have a potential head forming here, and then a potential right shoulder forming here. Now, this is looking less and less like this is going to actually play out, but it's still something to take into consideration. What I really want to see in order for this breakout to $180, $190, or $200 is this monthly BX trender to close green. That would give us a very strong indication that a new multi-month to multi-year expansion is going to play out. Right? You guys see me get in and out of a lot of trades, but these are shorter term trades within a broader expansion. What I'm really looking for on most of these stocks, especially in my Discord when we're building out our weekly watch list every week, is that we want to get in at the beginnings of these macro expansions. We want to find Nvidia like it was back in February 2023. We want to find Nvidia like we saw from 2019 up till 2022. We want to find Nvidia as it was expanding back here in October 2015 to July 2018. This is the type of environment that I want to be trading long. Whether I'm doing it on a day chart or I'm doing it on a weekly chart, I want to know that the monthly is showing this. And so I'm okay with missing out on maybe 5, 10, 15% in the next couple of weeks until this confirmation happens. Because if that confirmation happens, it doesn't mean that the stock has to rip. But looking at this historically, it usually means that we are going to get a massive expansion that's normally going to last multiple months, if not multiple years. I hope this video helped you guys. Check out our Discord community. The link is in the description if you want to trade with me every day and get access to all of our trading bots and alerts. The link to all of our courses and our strategy is completely free in the description. I'll see you